You clicked on the right video today. I'm going to be sharing a ton of new arrivals from Walmart. I have an awesome pair of denim. We have some good staple like flannels, we have jackets, sweaters, cardigans, you name it. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you don't miss anything. I am seriously so impressed with these items from Walmart. I can't wait to get started. So like always, everything is linked down below in the description box so you easily can shop the complete looks that I've shared in today's video. And if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We talk a lot of Walmart fashion around here and always keep you guys updated with the new arrivals so you don't have to spend time doing it on your own. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the first look. As you can see, it's like that really nice soft corduroy material. Sometimes corduroy can be really stiff, and this one is like a nice kind of soft corduroy, so I love that. It does feature a front pocket on the left side. Then it does have functional buttons going the whole way down the front. Now, as far as sizing, I actually did size up to a medium. I wanted to make sure that it was a little bit more oversized. With the button downs, I don't like them to be super fitted because I like to layer them. I have a long sleeve on underneath, and I like to kind of tuck out the sleeves. I think that looks really cute. This does come in multiple color options, and I didn't really have anything gray like this in my wardrobe, so I was excited about picking up this gray. Okay, with this jacket, I'm sorry, you're gonna want to like stop the video right now and go add this to your cart. Wow, I am so impressed. So the style of the jacket is a puffer coat, and it is a shorter style. It does feature a hood and actually a little packable bag. So if you're taking this traveling or hiking or something like that, you can just scrunch it up and put it into a bag as well. I always like that little perk. And it is available in sizes extra small through 3X. This jacket probably comes in every single color option, so you're covered there. It does have a functional pocket here on the side, which is awesome because it has like that fleecy material on the inside, so when you put your hands in your pockets, they like actually stay warm, which is awesome. This jacket is currently on deal for $23, which honestly just blows my mind. I feel like it's just such a nice quality jacket. It's like the perfect amount of puff. It's not like super puffy that you feel like kind of like you don't have shape, but it's also like has enough to it that it keeps you warm. And I did go with my true to size small. I love it paired with these free assembly jeans. Y'all, I have tried out a lot of jeans from Walmart. You guys know one of my favorites is the Free Assembly brand. I've had the same favorite pair of jeans from Walmart for like, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 years. These are, wow, definitely one of my favorites that I've tried in quite some time. Y'all, these are so good. They feel like and remind me so much of higher end brands. So these are a boot cut style, which I love because right now they say skinny jeans aren't in, like the straight pants are in, and sometimes I just feel like they're not flattering. So I really like these because they're like the perfect mix between a skinny jean and like a straight jean. These jeans are available in sizes 0 through 24. They come in about 4 to 5 other color washes. I went with this really nice medium wash, and I am not kidding you guys. I am so picky with jeans. Just the quality, oftentimes they're not long enough on me. These are a 32-inch inseam. I'm just under 5'9". They have a nice high-rise fit. Like I said, they're really flattering. I feel like they're the perfect combo between a skinny and a straight jean. And just the feel of the jeans are really nice quality. I feel like they hug in all of the right places. I like want to go and grab another color wash. And I also think what makes them so comfortable is they are 90% cotton. So very breathable. Trust me when I tell you guys, these are absolutely amazing. I just have them paired with some little white sneakers. You definitely could wear these with booties as well. The pants aren't too wide that you easily could throw these on with boots as well. This is like a classy go-to winter uniform that you can easily layer. These are my other favorite jeans from Walmart that I literally wear all the time. They're my absolute favorite. Like oftentimes I'll choose these over higher end brands. And then I have it paired with a black turtleneck and some little booties. If you're looking for just a really nice basic turtleneck, this one's currently on deal for $13. I love kind of the diagonal stitching that's on this. I did go ahead and go with my true to size small, and it fits amazing. It has like this nice little mock neck that's not itchy at all, and then I just have it tucked into some jeans, but there's some good length to it. Goes to like right about here. It's like the perfect layering piece to style with all different things this winter season. Oh, and I know I'll get questions, so I will have my jewelry linked down below in the description box as well. This particular top does come, I think, in like 4 or 5 other color options. This turtleneck is available in sizes extra small through 3XL, and I just really like it. I feel like it's a really nice soft material. It's not itchy, and it's just like a staple piece that you can throw on with casual or dressy looks. And then these are my other favorite pair of jeans from Walmart. I've shared them before. I mean, you guys, the quality, everything about these is simply amazing. I am wearing my true to size 2. I'm also wearing my true to size 2 in the first pair of jeans that I just shared. Now this is more of a light wash, but I wear them all winter season. That doesn't bother me at all. And I love them paired with these little Western beauties from Walmart. These, I'm not kidding you, I wear probably every single day. They have a memory foam padding in them, which makes them so comfortable. I love this color. They literally match with everything, and the Western style is very, very in. These come at like right about $25, which is kind of incredible. This is a duster cardigan that like took off. Everybody wanted it last year, and I got so excited when I saw that they brought it back. It just has the most buttery soft feel. I love the length on it. The quality of this and just the style is really nice. It's that ribbed material. It's nice and lightweight. Love it paired over top of this turtleneck. As you can see, it kind of goes like just above my knee. Again, I'm just under 5'9". This is like a best-selling little duster that comes in so many color options. It is available in sizes extra small through 3X, and I actually just went with my true to size small. I thought I might need to size down one, but since I like to layer this, I would recommend going with your larger size. And I love what is really nice about this. It's a piece that you can wear casually, even with like leggings, or you can dress it up for work as well. And I really like this outfit because I feel like it looks like something where you put effort into your outfit, but really you just have like your basic uniform and you threw on this little duster on top. I was not expecting to love this shacket as much as I did. Sometimes shackets are like a miss for me because they're kind of like a really thick, uncomfortable feel. And this one is just not the case. It is really, really great. I feel like it is the perfect thickness, and it's so incredibly soft. I really like the color combination with this one. We got some pinks and browns and tans in it. It does feature 2 functional pockets here. It is buttoned the whole way down the front, but it's just so soft. I hope you guys can really see the material here. It's really, really great. I did size up to a medium like I typically do with shackets, and it is, if anything, I would say you even could size up 2 sizes. I feel like it's more of a fitted shacket. It's a little bit heavier than a normal like button down. The corduroy one that I shared, it's definitely heavier than that, so it's going to give you that little bit of warmth, but it's not bulky, so it's like the perfect combination. I love it with that turtleneck underneath that I have paired with some Spanx leggings and little black combat boots. And y'all, I am ready to take on the day. This is so good. It is available in sizes extra small through 3XL. Each year I like to snag a new cozy pullover or 2 just to kind of lounge around in and wear with casual outfits like this out and about, and this one is no exception. This is actually from the No Boundaries line, which is technically junior sizing, so I actually sized up to a large in this one, so my suggestion would be definitely size up 1, and you probably could be fine sizing up with 2. I like that this has a string right here that you can tighten the waistband. That's really nice. It does have that kangaroo style pouch, and then has a zipper here on the chest, and as well as a functional zipper here. It is that easy pull on style, and it is so soft. This pullover is $12. I honestly cannot believe it's $12. Really cute. I like the length of it. It's one of those that's not going to cover your bum, so it's going to be a shorter option. If you don't feel comfortable wearing leggings, this obviously would look really, really great with a pair of jeans as well. I love it paired with these little UGG Look for Less booties. These little booties are like a most wanted gift this year. The actual UGG boots are always sold out, and if you're not looking to spend like over $100 on a pair of boots, these are a really great look for less option. As you can see, they're a nice suede boot. Like, they look very, very similar to the real deal. I own UGG boots, and I think they're worth every single penny, but I know that they are expensive, so I like to share some looks for less options. It does have a nice traction down here, and then the inside is really, really soft and has that warm fuzzy feel. So even though these are $23, you're definitely going to get a warm and cozy boot with this. Also, I don't feel like they're bulky. Sometimes look for less options can feel very bulky, and these are just all around a really, really great option for under $25. And they do run true to size, come in multiple color options, and they're available in sizes 6 through 11. If you're looking for a comfortable yet classy work or holiday outfit, this is going to be such a great option. This little velvet midi wrap skirt is absolutely beautiful. It's available in sizes extra small through 3XL. Now I did go with my true to size small, and I easily could have went with size extra small. I have a little bit of extra room up here, but what I love, it's a nice elastic waistband, so it's just an easy pull on style, which is great. You don't have to fidget with any buttons or zipper, which is always a huge win for me. And I think the ruching on the side here is so beautiful. This skirt is also available in a really gorgeous like wine red color. I went kind of with neutrals with this look and then threw it on with a really fun sparkly heel, which I love. This is a holiday look that's very comfortable, great to wear for work, but then also just looks really classy. Can't go wrong with this piece. Like I said, if you're in between sizes though, I would just size down one. And I feel like this is a very flattering option. Sometimes dresses can be like a hit or a miss. Well, this one's really comfortable, and it also just hugs in all of the right places and just looks really, really gorgeous. So can't go wrong with this little skirt. All right, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Let me know which was your favorite down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you always get notified for future Walmart hauls, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.